The last point I will make is that many of these startups have got a lot of mind share and attention. But to my mind, many of these are not really going to be employment generators. For example, if you look at the entire IT services industry in India, after 25 years of existence, they have created only 5 million jobs, which is on an average just 0.2 million jobs every year, 2 lakh jobs. Whereas in India, 12 million youth are entering employable age every year and are looking for jobs. So 12 million job seekers versus 0.2 million jobs being created by the IT services industry. So despite all the hype, despite all the attention that they've got, they are not job spinners. And that's the same thing with many of these new age startups as well. They are not going to be job spinners. India's answer is going to be micro entrepreneurship. Therefore, it's important for us as a nation to roll out the red carpet for micro entrepreneurs, roll out the red carpet for medium and small enterprises. Today, we are rolling out the red carpet for large unicorns. We're rolling out the red carpet for Apple and Foxconn that are spending 2,000, 3,000 crores, setting up a factory in some place in India and creating 5,000 jobs. 5,000 jobs is not even a drop in the ocean. So I think it's important for us as a nation to accept micro entrepreneurs, roll out the red carpet for them, make it easy for them to do business. We need, you know, probably millions of these entrepreneurs who will create each of them 5 to 10 jobs. And that's going to be India's answer. Otherwise, India's youth, which we are talking of the youth bulge, the large number of, young people who are entering employable age every year, will probably find themselves stuck in unfulfilling underemployment, not having the right kind of jobs to do. So I think the last phase of India's entrepreneurship will be micro entrepreneurship. So I